Today I'm going to show you how to get a Squarespace QR code in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful feature if you want to turn any page on your site into a quick scan link for a homepage, contact page, menu page, or anything else you want people to access instantly. It's a fast way to share your website offline, in print, on social media, or anywhere a QR code makes sense. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and sign into the website you want to work on. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand column and click Website. This will take you into your site structure and page management area. Next, select Pages so you can see the full list of pages on your website. Now locate the specific page you want to turn into a scan link. This could be your homepage, your contact page, a services page, or even a menu page if you run a restaurant or business site. When you find the page, move your mouse directly over the page name. You should see a gear icon appear right next to it. Click that gear icon to open the page settings. Inside the settings window, make sure you are on the General tab. If it doesn't open there automatically, click General at the top. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the lower section, you will see a row specifically labeled QR code. This is the setting that controls whether Squarespace generates a QR code for that page. All you need to do now is switch the toggle to on. Once you do that, Squarespace will enable the QR code for that page so it can be scanned and opened easily from a phone or printed material. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to copy or use that QR code for your marketing materials, business cards, flyers, posters, or signage. If you want to create QR codes for other pages too, just repeat the same process. Go back to Pages, choose another page, open the gear icon, scroll to the QR code option, and turn it on. That way you can create multiple scan links across different parts of your website without any complicated tools or extra software. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a Squarespace QR code the easy way. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and it's a great feature for making your site more accessible and shareable. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website tips and Squarespace guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.